Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number 606. Construct string from binary tree. Given the root of a binary tree, construct a string consisting of parentheses and integers from a binary tree with a priori traversal way and return it. Omit all the empty parentheses pairs that don't affect the one-to-one mapping relationship between the string and the original binary tree. So let's do it. Because now today we have binary tree, the solution will be recursive. First of all, we need to add current value to the result only if current value is not empty. So the base case will be checking that current node is not empty. After it, we check left and right children, and if one of so only one or both children not empty, then add left subtree inside parentheses. After it, check if right subtree isn't empty and add a right subtree inside pair of parentheses. So let's do it. First of all, check if root not empty. If not root, return empty string. After, let's create result variable with current value, and don't forget to make it string from numbers, because current value is an integer. After, let's check if we have left or right value. So not value, not empty left or right nodes. And in this case, add recursive call between parentheses. So in this case, we use left node, and the same for the right node. For the right node, we check only right subtree. That's it. And finally, return result. Let's check this. It works. Submitted. Yes. We have quite an efficient solution, and it was a pretty easy problem. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.